Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Rocío. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to make this beautiful crochet doily. I found the pattern on a Japanese magazine by the name Ondori. It's only 21 rows. It measures about 14 inches. I made it with thread 10 and 1.65 millimeter hook. This is the size of threads that they sell around here on size 10. You can use any thread that calls for 1.5 millimeter hook. But you can use any thread. The size of your doily is going to depend on the type of thread that you use. I recommend size 10 thread, especially in this doily that is only 21 rows. So let's go ahead and get started. To begin, I'm going to make a slip knot. Chain 6. Insert my hook in the last strand where I made the slip knot. By doing this, I don't have a bump on my doily. To begin row 1, I'm going to insert my hook in the ring. Make a single crochet, chain 5. Single crochet in the ring, chain 5. Single crochet in the ring, chain 5. Single crochet in the ring. I need a total of 7 chain 5 spaces before I close this row. So continue with the repetition and see you at the end of the row. I have 7 chain 5 spaces. To close, I'm going to chain 1 and make a double crochet, inserting my hook in the top loop of the single crochet I made at the beginning and in the next loop also. And those 2 threads is where I make my double crochet to close the row. And this counts as 5 chains. So I have a total of 8 5 chain spaces. To begin row 2, I'm going to insert my hook in the space I just created. Chain 3. This counts as a treble crochet. Make 3 treble crochets in the same space. 1, 2, 3. Chain 5. 4 treble crochets in the next chain 5 space. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chain 5. 4 treble crochets in the next chain 5 space. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is going to be the whole repetition for this row. You are going to make 5 chains and 4 treble crochets in each of the chain 5 spaces. Continue and see you at the end of the row. I am here at the end of row 2. I counted my stitches. I have 8 sets of 4 treble crochets and 7 chain 5 spaces. To close the row, I'm only going to chain 2 I'm going to insert my hook on the top chain at the beginning of the row and make a double crochet. This counts as my last 5 chains. To begin row number 3, I'm going to insert my hook directly under the stitch I have in my hook. Single crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochets in the same space, and please note I start my double crochet and I close it as a treble crochet. Start it as a double crochet and close it as a treble crochet. 4 chains. Make 5 trebles together on top of the 4 trebles of previous row. 1, and don't close it. We are going to close them together. 2, 3, 4. The last treble crochet, I'm going to make it on top of the last treble of previous row, inserting my hook in the middle and close them together. 4 chains, 3 double crochets in the middle chain of the previous row where I had 5 chains. So I go on the 3rd chain. 1, 2, and 3. 4 chains. Now work 5 trebles together on top of the 4 trebles of previous row. Notice I insert my hook in the middle of the first treble crochet. 2, 3, 4, 5, inserting my hook in the middle of the last treble crochet of previous row. 5. Chain 4. And this is going to be the repetition: 3 double crochets, 4 chains, 5 trebles, 4 chains, 3 double crochets in the middle on the 3rd chain, 3. Now, the reason why I made my stitch elongated is because of my tension. The pattern calls for a regular double crochet, but I made the doily with the regular double crochet and it came out wavy. And that is because of my tension, not because the pattern is bad. Everybody has a different tension, and some of my doilies you will see that I make my double crochets elongated. Four chains. You can choose to make your regular double crochets. As I said, it depends on your tension. I'm now going to make 5 trebles on top of the 4 trebles, inserting my hook in the middle of the first treble of previous row. 2, 3, 4, 5, inserting my hook in the middle of the last treble crochet and close. I'm going to make one more, 4 chains, 3 double crochets in the middle chain of the previous row where we had 5 chains. That's 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. Make 5 trebles on top of the 4 trebles. Remember, I insert my hook in the middle of the stitch. 1, don't close them, we are going to close them together. 2, 3, 4, and also the last one, I insert my hook in the middle of the stitch. 5, close them together, and that's the whole repetition. I started with my beginning chain plus 2, then the equivalent to 3 double crochets, 4 chains, 5 trebles together, 4 chains, 3 double crochets, 4 chains, 5 treble crochets together. That's the whole repetition for this row. Continue and see you at the end of the row. I'm here at the end of row 3. I made my last 4 chains. I am now going to insert my hook in the top chain of the beginning and close. To begin row 4, I'm going to chain 4, make a double crochet in the next space, two double crochets in the next space, double crochet in the next double crochet, inserting my hook in the middle. I have 5 double crochets. My chain plus 4 double crochets is the equivalent to 5 double crochets. Chain 3, single crochet in the next chain space, chain 3, single crochet in the next space, chain 3, 5 double crochets on top of the 3 double crochets of previous row. Insert my hook in the middle of the first double crochet. 1 more double crochet, 2 double crochets in the next space, 1, 2, double crochet in the last double crochet, inserting my hook in the middle of the double crochet. I have 5 double crochets. Chain 3, single crochet in the next space, chain 3, single crochet in the next chain space, chain 3. I have 3 chains, single crochet, 3 chains, single crochet, and 3 chains. 3, 3, 3, and 5 double crochets. I'm going to repeat my 5 double crochets on top of the next 3 double crochets of previous row. Insert my hook in the middle of the double crochet. Make 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet in the next space, and increase 2 double crochets in the next space. 1, 2, double crochet in the double crochet, inserting my hook in the middle. I have 5 double crochets. Chain 3, single crochet in the next chain space, chain 3, single crochet in the next space, chain 3, and repeat 5 double crochets on top of the 3 double crochets of previous row. And that is the whole repetition for this row. Continue and see you at the end. I'm here at the end of row 4. I made my last 3 chains. I'm now going to make a slip stitch on the top chain at the beginning of the row and close. This is the end of row 4. That's it for today. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.